Welcome to Uptown Houston, one of the busiest, trendiest, hottest spots in the city. Smack dab in the middle of all the chic chaos, there's a hidden oasis, a treasure trove of beauty, relaxation, and delicious creative cuisine. A spot that was once reserved for a select few. Not anymore. The historic Manor House at the Houstonian is opening its tables to the public for the very first time. It's a seat I highly recommend. By all means, take a seat at the Manor House, an historic spot where no detail goes unnoticed, in the dining room and in the kitchen. Houston movers and shakers know this place well, like former NFL lineman turned investment banker Doug Dawson. I hear you're a regular here at the Houstonian.
Pretty regular, yes. So I have breakfast at the Olivette next door, probably 4 out of 5 mornings, and then I eat here at the Manor House at least half my lunches.
I'd say that's pretty regular.
I bring clients here that are already clients.
Okay, so a little secret from an insider. When you want to close a deal, what's the best table in there to do that?
Well, they always put me in that little room by the patio because it's just me and the waiters, you know.
Okay.
You're alone in there, so you really can talk finances and talk business if you want to have a little privacy.
Well, I should say, it's not just about business. I mean, this is an awesome place for the ladies who like to lunch too. This historic spot sits on the Houstonian's 18 acres of uptown lushness and has a reputation for getting things done. So in addition to this being an incredible venue, there are a lot of really historical things that have happened between these 4 walls.
Yes, well, the Bushes used to live here back when he was head of the CIA, and then, you know, when they moved over into the hotel, they would still use the house to do things like the G7 summit. They did the signing here in the botanical room.
Oh, and there's some amazing pictures of the world leaders here.
Yes.
And that was in the room we're standing in.
That was in this room, and then they all had lunch over in the main dining room.
Wow.
And then also the King of Spain has stayed here in the hotel and in this very house, and then also Jack Nicholson has stayed here during the 80s when maybe was filming Terms of Endearment.
Did he get along with everyone?
I believe, yes. Everybody said, you know, there are people that still work here that actually were here during that time.
Really?
Yes.
I had to ask. The lure here is also, of course, the food. For those of us who are loyal fans of Olivette, the food here is every bit as good, but the food is different.
That's right, it is. It's a little bit more classical. It really fits the venue.
It truly does. Dishes like snapper pontchartrain, a seared Gulf red snapper served over a Johnny cake and classic pontchartrain Creole sauce, or the lemon sole meuniere with jumbo lump crab meat. And you know what they say about crab meat.
We figured that out a long time ago. If you put crab on it, people will love it.
And speaking of crab meat, their crab cake here is spectacular, almost majestic as it sits on a bed of tasty mock chew, a Cajun's scrumptious take on succotash.
We've had that on the menu now for almost a year, and we have no plans on taking it off.
Oh, delicious. Salad lovers, this baby kale salad with farro and eggplant is a meal all by itself. And you'll do a double take when you taste Chef Neal's playful twist on Eggs Benedict.
We kind of had fun with this, and we did something that's similar to breakfast, but we're serving it at lunch. And so it's a hot smoked salmon served with in an Eggs Benedict style. And so we put that on the menu, and that's been surprisingly popular.
So many reasons to plan a special meal at Manor House, a spot that holds a special place in modern history.
I know a lot of people have kind of come back over to view the house, and it's always interesting because they said they used to play here when it was just a neighborhood. They knew the Reed family. The Fays have come back by and had lunch. So it's really interesting to have a lot of the community who once spent a lot of time here get to come back and enjoy it.
So excited to tell you about my wine finds of the week because we are talking Pinot Noir, one of my favorite and probably one of yours too. With Pinot Noirs, I do think they're a wine where you want to spend a little bit more money on your bottle to ensure a really well-produced one because there are so many Pinot Noir producers and not everyone is making really good Pinot. I found some wonderful ones for you today and I'm excited to share them with you. Okay, up first, organic. This is Bonterra's Organic Pinot Noir. This little wine just bursts with bright flavors of cherries, raspberries, a little bit of spice on the finish. I think it's just wonderful, and it's only $16.98 a bottle. So Bonterra's Organic Pinot Noir. All right, moving on to Siduri. Siduri makes a wonderful Pinot Noir too. This Pinot style has a little bit more earthiness and a little bit more of the dark fruit, but you're still going to get your cherries. Think dark cherries, maybe a little bit of plum. Siduri, it's a wonderful Pinot, and it's priced right at about $24. Okay, Duckhorn fans, this is such a wonderful Pinot. It's Migration. You're probably already familiar with it. Keep in mind with Pinot Noirs, I do think you need to spend a little bit more to get a really good wine. That's generally the rule of thumb. This one is about $30. It is worth every penny. It is a beautiful Pinot Noir. The influences the Russian River Valley have temperature-wise with the fog and the high temperatures in the daytime and cool at night makes some beautiful wines. I love this. You get your dark cherries, your raspberries, but it's all just velvety smooth. Migration, found all of these at HEB. Keep your seat. When we come back, we'll find out how you could win a relaxing weekend at the beautiful Houstonian Hotel and Spa. The Manor House is just one of the cool things at the Houstonian, and you just might win a weekend there. Here's how. Head to Goodtaste TV right now and sign up for a chance to win a luxurious weekend at the Houstonian, complete with spa treatments for you and a guest at the beautiful award-winning Trellis Spa. Remember, we love to get social with you. You can find us on Facebook at Good Taste with Tanji, or follow me at Twitter and Instagram at Tanji Patton. Don't forget, set your DVRs right now for next week's episode. Thanks so much for joining us. Till next time, cheers to good taste.